Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional health coach and a nutritional therapist, and I upload delicious healthy recipes, nutritional and lifestyle tips every week. If these are topics that interest you, then do hit the subscribe button to be notified when a new video goes live. In this video, I'm going to share with you the benefits of nettle and why you should drink it as a tea. For those of you that are not familiar with nettle, nettle is a plant that if you touch it, it irritates your skin. A little bit annoying, but it has a lot of health benefits, so bear with me. So first of all, I have a video on my YouTube channel where I talk about gout and how you can heal gout naturally, and where nettle is one of the things that I recommend. Nettle contains calcium, magnesium, and silica, and also contains vitamin C, which helps the absorption of calcium. So it's really good for your bone. If you have gout, if you have uric issues, if you have eczema, if you have muscle pains, or if you have joint pains, then I highly recommend that you incorporate nettle in your life. Even if you don't have any issues, any of the above issues, then still it's good to incorporate it because it can help you, it actually can help prevent osteoporosis because of all the minerals that it contains, such as calcium, magnesium, and silica that we mentioned before. It also contains all those vitamins that help the absorption of those minerals, so I mean, ideal. You can find nettle in 3 different forms. You can find it in powder form, you can find it as a leaf, and also in tea bags. My favorite way and the easiest way, in my opinion, is the tea way, so in tea bags. So this is how I usually consume it, because this is the easiest way I can find it in stores near my house. You can also drink it in powder form, so you can buy it through Amazon or eBay, and you can make smoothies with it. Again, it's an easy way. Now the third way is actually using the leaf itself, and so boil the leaf in water and then drink the liquid. If you don't know how to collect nettle, then it's a little bit, I guess, tricky to do it, and especially if it's not available near your house. You need to go somewhere, I guess, more outdoorsy to do it, and in cities it's not easy to find it in its pure form. So that's why I recommend either tea or powder, which is much easier way to do so. So if you can incorporate nettle, drinking nettle tea 5 times a week, I usually do that. I usually drink nettle tea 5 times a week. Or you can drink it every day if you want to, or as frequently as you can to just get the benefits from it. It will be ideal. So these were my reasons for drinking nettle and consuming nettle in general. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would like to continue the conversation with you, so do connect with me on my social channels. And also, if you would love accountability and support in your health journey, then do join my Facebook group called Health and Happiness for Life, where I share tips and tricks. Also, other people share what has worked for them and what hasn't. We'll also have live streams with experts that share their knowledge in the health industry. If you're also interested in learning how to live a happy and healthy life for a very long time, then also do read my free ebook, which you can find in the link in the description. And guys, I will see you in the next episode.